Setting up your business shouldn't be complicated. Everything you need to manage your brand, localization, and app settings is right here at your fingertips, organized and ready to go. Now, let's look at the web version. This is where the magic happens for your clients. And here's a pro tip. See this URL. You can copy your personal booking link right here and add it directly to your social media bios. It's the easiest way to turn your followers into bookings. The interface is clean and intuitive. Your clients simply select the service they need, like a beard trim or a classic haircut, and pick a time that fits your schedule. No more back and forth messaging. Once they review the details and enter their contact info, the system takes care of the rest. It's secure, professional, and gives your business that high-end feel. A quick verification code via email ensures every booking is legitimate, protecting your time from no-shows. And it gets even better. Once booked, the client can instantly see your location on the map, call you with one tap, or sync the appointment directly to their Google Calendar. It's all about providing a seamless experience. You can manage all your future and previous bookings in one clear list. Stay organized, stay professional, and let the system handle the logistics while you focus on your craft. Your business simplified.